for the, so for those who don't know you out there?
Carinna.
Carinna. Very good. Thank you for volunteering for this game. What we're going to do is actually have you come over here to the side a little bit, but at a place kind of near the front where you can really observe everything that's going on. And at the moment I'm going to give you the microphone, you're going to do all the sound effects for this game. So for example, let's have one of them do an action and label what action it's going to be. You're going to do the sound effect just to kind of
I'm going to open a door.
Exactly like that, okay? So throughout this entire scene, we're going to do all the sound effects. Okay, very good. What we need is a suggestion from you guys in the audience for where this is going to take place. So
Atlantis. Two contrasts right there.
those are really interesting. How about a real place? I love your
The sun is real.
So is Atlantis. No, I don't believe in Aquaman, so Atlantis is real.
Okay, well, you know what? I'd like to see where this goes. So Atlantis. So Carinna, if you can come stand kind of like right here, and they're going to put on the scene, and again, whenever they do something that requires a sound effect, you're going to provide it for us. So everybody, let's give Carinna a big hand. And let's play the sound effect.
Let us look in the book of prophecies. It's very musical today. Let's see. I am reading. On my fingers too. What do you know? The prophecy says that within one day, our city will be destroyed by water. Oh no!
Destroyed by water. Tell me what you'd like me to do.
I don't know. As you can see, sometimes I project my voice.
As Atlantis' greatest ventriloquist, it's your job to solve this problem. Oh, good. I'm thinking. You are so good at this.
I know. I am sorry. I can do it.
I declare war on Atlantis. Eat water balloons.
Oh no. All right.
I missed.
Dang it.
I missed again.
I'm gonna pick up this rock. Oh.
Wait, let me put on my glasses and perhaps I'll be able to throw them at you. That one was from ice.
Look here. I've got a match. And since we are on the sun, if I light this, we will all explode. It will on its own before I can light it.
If only I had water at my disposal. Oh, yes, wait, I do. Yes. Yes. Now that your king is done, Princess Ventriloquist, tell me that you love me.
I do.
I knew it!
Let's hear it for Carinna! All right. You out there watching, we're watching you.
Oh no.
Okay. Very good. Have a seat, you guys. That was fantastic.
It's gonna get you.
Heroes of the 101 team game.